Well, my word is choice. And I chose this regarding food, really, but each student must realize that they have a choice about what goes into their mouth and that what they put in their mouth will affect their body short term and long term.
My word is knowledge. By providing students with knowledge, it will help them make healthy choices and healthy life decisions.
My word is balance. It's important in order to maintain a healthy lifestyle that there be a balance in one's life.
And the word that I chose is mindfulness. Teaching students to be aware of their health and making decisions that would be beneficial overall for their well-being.
Good words, you guys.
Awesome.
So, Andy, I really like what you talked about choice in regard to food, and maybe you could tell us more like what you meant about that.
Well, I don't think as I think I didn't really start understanding the relationship with food until I was about 12 years old and probably going into like puberty when I started thinking about my body changing. But I think we can teach our kids as young as, kindergarten, first grade, second grade about the food choices that, we make every day and how that affects. We could even make it a science project to see what we eat today, how does it affect us, I think that we can start making that knowledge known at a very young age. And I don't even do that with my own kids. I need to be teaching them at home too.
That's good.
It's funny you say that, Andy, because when I was a kid and we would go through fast food, my mom would order, like, we could order a combo, like a drink, a fries, and a sandwich, and like super size it or whatever, or go big, go large, whatever. And it's like, that is so bad. Like, it's like so many calories in one meal. And I actually myself started kind of gaining weight, at that adolescent age. And I don't think my mom really was thinking about that, how, like, that habit, how it would impact us.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think now we have more knowledge about what those choices can do for us and how to be healthy. So we're making different decisions in ourselves, and we can also help our students make those decisions too, or come to those decisions on their own.
Yeah. And just being mindful too of like you said, of those decisions, being mindful. I think really mindfulness works well with all of the choice words that we used.
Yes.
Students being mindful of their choices, being knowledgeable of those choices that they make, and understanding how to balance all of that. So just being mindfulness is being aware of all of those choice words.
Mindful to me is the MVP because you can know. I mean, I don't know. You just have to be. It's
aware.
It does go hand in hand with everything.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And I think being mindful will help students too going forward with monitoring how much phone use and iPad use, like how much time am I spending on my phone versus playing outside and throwing a ball around too, because even though technology is so important, there still has to be that balance.
Yeah.
That's really good. Control.
Yeah, Michelle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, this was good.
Good conversation, guys. Once again.
Okay. So I cut it off at